Question 1. What is your name? Answer. My name is Anna. Now, repeat after me. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Anna. Question 2. How are you? Answer. I'm fine, thank you. Now, repeat after me. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Question 3. Where are you from? Answer. I'm from the United States. Now, repeat after me. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the United States. Question 4. How old are you? Answer. I'm 11 years old. Now, repeat after me. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 1 year old. Question 5. What do you do? Answer. I'm a student. Now, repeat after me. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. Question 6. Do you speak English? Answer. Yes, I do. Now, repeat after me. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Question 7. What time is it? Answer. It's 3 p.m. Now, repeat after me. What time is it? What time is it? It's p.m. Question 8. Where do you live? Answer. I live in New York. Now, repeat after me. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York. Question 9. Can you help me? Answer. Sure. What do you need? Now, repeat after me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Question 10. What is your favorite food? Answer. My favorite food is pizza. Now, repeat after me. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza.